Have you ever wondered how reliable Mercedes vehicles really are? While the brand has long been associated with luxury and durability, recent shifts in production have raised some concerns. Are modern-day Benzes as dependable as their legendary predecessors, or have cost-cutting measures and technology overload taken their toll? In this video, we'll dive into the reliability of Mercedes today, compare it to the past, and discuss whether it's still worth the investment. Let's get started. The legacy of Mercedes-Benz reliability. Mercedes-Benz has built a reputation for producing some of the most durable vehicles on the market. The iconic W124 chassis, built from 1986 to 1995, is a prime example. Known for its bulletproof construction, this model showcased Mercedes's commitment to longevity, with features designed to endure. From double-sealed welds to robust mechanical components, this generation of Mercedes vehicles was built to last, offering owners peace of mind that their cars would serve them reliably for years or even decades. The impact of cost-cutting measures. As the automotive industry evolved, so did Mercedes-Benz. To remain competitive, particularly in the face of rising competition from brands like Lexus and BMW, Mercedes began implementing cost-cutting measures. This meant compromising on the quality of materials used in construction, such as the switch from high-grade steel to cheaper alternatives. While these changes helped lower production costs, they also affected the overall reliability of the vehicles, resulting in parts that are more prone to wear and failure over time. The shift to turbocharged engines and plastic components. Modern-day Mercedes vehicles like the C300 use turbocharged engines and rely heavily on plastic components. While these changes improve fuel efficiency and reduce weight, they also introduce potential reliability issues. Turbochargers, with their rotating parts and need for oil and coolant, are prone to failure if not properly maintained. Similarly, the widespread use of plastic, especially in engine compartments, increases the risk of parts cracking or deteriorating faster, compromising the overall durability of the vehicle. The role of technology in modern Mercedes-Benz cars. One of the biggest changes in modern Mercedes-Benz vehicles is the incorporation of advanced technology. While features like auto-folding mirrors, power-adjustable seats, and 360-degree cameras enhance the driving experience, they also introduce new failure points. The complexity of these systems means that when something breaks, the repair costs can be steep. Moreover, these tech components add weight and can contribute to the vehicle's long-term wear and tear. While the technology offers convenience, it also makes the car more prone to costly repairs. The influence of environmental concerns on vehicle durability. Environmental concerns have significantly impacted vehicle durability, including Mercedes-Benz. As manufacturers focus on reducing emissions and improving fuel efficiency, they often use lighter materials and more complex technologies, which can affect long-term reliability. For instance, the push for eco-friendly components like plastic and aluminum, while reducing weight, may lead to faster wear and tear, compromising the overall durability of modern vehicles. The reliability decline in consumer reports. In recent years, Mercedes-Benz has seen a decline in reliability ratings in consumer reports. Competing brands like BMW and Audi have edged ahead in terms of dependability. Factors such as cost-cutting measures, use of cheaper materials, and complex technology have contributed to this shift. While Mercedes still offers luxury, its reliability isn't as strong as it once was, impacting its overall reputation among consumers. Should you still buy a Mercedes-Benz today? Despite reliability concerns, Mercedes-Benz vehicles remain highly desirable for their luxury, performance, and technology. However, modern models come with potential for higher maintenance costs and repair issues as they age. If you're willing to accept the trade-off between these factors and appreciate the driving experience, a Mercedes can still be a great choice. Ultimately, it depends on your priorities: luxury and performance or long-term reliability. While modern Mercedes vehicles offer impressive technology and luxury, their reliability has certainly taken a hit compared to older models. As competition and complexity grow, so does the cost of maintenance, leaving many wondering if it's worth it. If you found this video interesting, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.